set up, we're going to proceed now and turn on the television. So remember, this is a smart TV, and the process of installation might be a bit different from other basic televisions that we have. So remember, you have to select your language: Spanish, English, Portuguese, or French. Data collection and firmware updates notice. Country: Venezuela, Ecuador, Costa Rica, Paraguay or Colombia, Guatemala, Brazil, Uruguay, Peru, Argentina, Chile. So you can choose your countries, but some advise me not to use Venezuela, but any other country. So I'm going to go for Chile. Select your Wi-Fi. If it's a Wi-Fi network, if it's a wired network, I'm going to go for Wi-Fi network. So it's going to ask us to set up Netflix. Talking about the programming, you have some applications that came built in the television. I mean, you can add any other thing like the Amazon Fire Stick. You've only got 4 gigs of RAM. So this TV came originally with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, browser, and Smart TV apps. Let's check out the Smart TV apps. Data recollection and accept. So we have Neck Range, TV Go, Plex, travel videos, Flying Fish, France 24, games, trends, Actress Player, Radio Line, Pentonino, KMTV, Twitter TV, Deezer, GLWiz, Hello Kids, Selector, Scuff, Film Rise, FWTV, Watch and Buy, Klima, Bumblebee TV, and Dive TV. So let's just try one of them, see if it's something that you're gonna have to pay or it's totally free. Let's go to TV games. From right now you can see the resolution. Also, this is not a TV that you can compare with Samsung or with LG. This is not a QLED. This resolution that we're looking at is perfectly okay for me, for what I needed. You can play games directly from here. So let's just go to Dive TV. Basically, you can see everything is free. And those are Smart TV apps. Now let's look at more. In more, we've got Twitter, TG, YouTube Kids, Screencast. You can cast your telephone directly to here. This is good. So first, if you go to kids, you're going to have to set it up. They're going to ask you a couple of questions, you know, the age range of your kids and all that. Looking at the picture resolution, as of now, I don't have anything to complain about. Let's go to YouTube. The resolution is perfectly okay. Prime. For Prime Video, you're gonna need to sign in with your Amazon information. Okay, so this is Prime Video.